Welcome to our comprehensive session on understanding the diverse restaurant landscape. In this insightful session, we will delve into the multifaceted world of restaurants, equipping you with a deep understanding of the various types and their unique characteristics. Grasping the nuances of different restaurant categories is crucial for successful planning, execution, and thriving in the competitive restaurant industry. Let us embark on this exploration together and unlock the keys to your future success. Objectives: gaining invaluable insights into restaurant types. The primary objective of this session is to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of the diverse types of restaurants you may encounter in the industry. By gaining these insights, you will be empowered to make informed decisions, whether you are aspiring to open a new establishment or seeking to enhance an existing one. Distinguishing the characteristics and requirements of different restaurant categories will enable you to align your strategies and offerings with the right target audience, setting the foundation for long-term success. Exploring the vibrant spectrum of restaurant categories. Let us now take a closer look at the captivating categories of restaurants that we will delve into today: fine dining, casual dining, fast food, cafes and bistros, and the dynamic realm of mobile food trucks and pop-up ventures. Each of these restaurant types possesses unique characteristics, target audiences, and operational requirements. Understanding these distinctions is essential for navigating the diverse landscape of the restaurant industry and identifying the best fit for your entrepreneurial aspirations or business goals. Fine dining, elevating the culinary experience. Fine dining establishments are renowned for their exceptional cuisine and impeccable service. These venues typically feature a formal ambience, often with a dress code, and command a premium price point for their exclusive offerings. They cater to an affluent clientele and those seeking to celebrate special occasions, where the creation of a truly memorable dining experience is of paramount importance. Mastering the intricacies of fine dining can open the doors to a discerning and loyal customer base. Casual dining, fostering a relaxed and enjoyable experience. Casual dining establishments provide a more laid-back atmosphere, with moderate price levels and full-service dining. These restaurants offer diverse menus that cater to a wide range of tastes, appealing to families and groups seeking a comfortable and enjoyable meal. The relaxed ambience allows patrons to unwind and savor the dining experience, making casual dining a popular choice for those seeking a more informal yet satisfying culinary encounter. Fast food, catering to the needs of a time-pressed society. Fast food establishments have carved out a distinct niche in the restaurant industry, focusing on rapid service and affordability. Featuring limited menu options that prioritize convenience and speed, these venues primarily target busy individuals, families, and younger consumers in search of quick meal solutions. The efficiency and convenience of fast food operations are the keys to their success in the fast-paced world we inhabit, meeting the demands of customers who value time-saving dining options. Cafes and bistros, fostering community and relaxation. Cafes and bistros represent a more informal dining environment, specializing in coffee, light meals, and delectable pastries. These venues often serve as vibrant social hubs, attracting students, professionals, and anyone seeking a relaxed atmosphere to enjoy a meal or a refreshing beverage. The inviting ambience of cafes and bistros makes them the perfect setting for casual meetups, quiet contemplation, or simply savoring a moment of respite in the midst of a busy day. Mobile food trucks and pop-up restaurants, embracing culinary adventure. The realm of mobile food trucks and pop-up restaurants offers a dynamic and captivating dining experience. These ventures provide temporary setups and mobile dining options that can appear at various events, festivals, and community gatherings. Known for their unique and innovative culinary offerings, these establishments capture the attention of trend-savvy consumers who seek out novel and exciting dining experiences. Embracing the flexibility and creativity of these mobile and temporary eateries can open up new opportunities for entrepreneurs and chefs to showcase their culinary talents. Concept development, aligning your vision with the right restaurant type. As we delve into the considerations for concept development, it is essential to ensure that the restaurant type you envision aligns seamlessly with your intended target audience. Carefully evaluate factors such as menu selections, pricing strategies, and the overall dining experience you aim to create. By providing examples of successful concepts for each restaurant category, we will illustrate the effectiveness of tailoring your offerings to the specific needs and preferences of your desired customer base. Conducting thorough market research, uncovering insights and trends. Conducting comprehensive market research is a crucial step in the restaurant industry. By identifying dining trends in your local area, analyzing your competitors, and gathering valuable insights from potential diners through surveys and focus groups, you can tailor your offerings to meet the evolving preferences of your target market. This data-driven approach will empower you to make informed decisions and position your restaurant for long-term success. Menu considerations: crafting offerings tailored to restaurant type. Tailoring your menu offerings to the specific restaurant type is a vital aspect of your success. In the realm of fine dining, the focus should be on showcasing gourmet dishes paired with high-quality wines, catering to the discerning palates of your affluent clientele. For fast food establishments, the emphasis should be on quick, straightforward options that prioritize speed and efficiency, meeting the needs of time-pressed customers. Meanwhile, casual dining can benefit from a blend of comfort food and healthier choices, appealing to the diverse tastes and preferences of families and groups. Location and ambience: creating the perfect setting for your restaurant. Selecting the right location and curating the appropriate ambience are critical factors in the success of your restaurant. Fine dining establishments thrive in upscale neighborhoods, where they can attract their target audience of affluent patrons. Fast food venues, on the other hand, are ideally situated in high-traffic areas to maximize visibility and accessibility. Regardless of the restaurant type, crafting an ambience that reflects the essence of your concept will enhance the overall dining experience and leave a lasting impression on your customers. Targeted marketing strategies: reaching and engaging your audience. Developing effective and targeted marketing plans is crucial for the success of your restaurant. For fine dining establishments, the focus should be on exclusive events and high-end promotional efforts that cater to the discerning tastes of your affluent clientele. Fast food restaurants, on the other hand, can engage their customers through vibrant social media campaigns and enticing promotions. Casual dining venues can leverage family-friendly marketing initiatives and community outreach to attract a diverse customer base and foster a loyal following. Navigating operational challenges: addressing the unique needs of each restaurant type. Each restaurant type faces its own set of operational challenges that must be addressed. Fine dining establishments must meticulously manage their staffing needs and maintain the highest standards of service to meet the expectations of their discerning clientele. Fast food operations, on the other hand, must focus on ensuring speed and efficiency during peak service hours to cater to the time-sensitive demands of their customers. Casual dining venues must strike a delicate balance between menu variety and operational efficiency, providing a seamless dining experience for their patrons. Embracing local insights: enriching our understanding through participant engagement. Encouraging active participant engagement is a key aspect of this session, as it allows us to enrich our understanding of the restaurant landscape. We invite you to share your observations about the popular restaurant types in your local region, discuss unique concepts, and provide insights on emerging trends. By gathering feedback and experiences from the diverse perspectives of the participants, we can gain a more comprehensive understanding of the factors that contribute to success in the restaurant industry. Recap and key takeaways: cementing the foundations for success. In summary, understanding the various types of restaurants and their distinct characteristics is vital for your planning and execution in the restaurant industry. Each category possesses its own target audience, operational requirements, and critical success factors. Effective concept development and thorough market research are essential components that will enable you to navigate the competitive landscape and achieve your goals, Whether you are an aspiring restaurateur or an established business owner seeking to enhance your operations. Thank you for your participation. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive exploration of the diverse restaurant landscape. We hope that the insights and information shared in this session have been engaging and informative. Remember, mastering the understanding of restaurant types is a crucial step towards success in the industry. We encourage you to continue your learning journey and apply these concepts to your entrepreneurial ventures or business endeavors. Your dedication and passion will be the driving forces behind your future achievements in the dynamic world of restaurants.